Rob Frazier here. Still pissed off, hurt about my missed bird, but not going to use that as an excuse to stop cranking out videos for work, marketing, whatever. Anyways, my software business, Jeff Long, sat on a webinar last night adding AI to the My Software Business suite of giveaway things, giveaway softwares, basically. So my software business, as of right now, has L Messenger Pro, which I do have a couple videos about, if I remember to link them in the video or a card above. You can click on that, check out L Messenger Pro. That's a software you can give away for free to help people organize their Facebook Messenger inbox. Me, I'm notorious for leaving people on red inadvertently and leaving a lot of money on the table because I just forgot because my messages got buried. So that's one software you can give away. Another software you can give away is kind of like Hootsuite or Radar or Buffer, an automatic scheduler for your social media. So you can type up a bunch of social media posts, Twitters, tweets, whatever, and then program them to go out in the future, so you don't always have to sit here and be posting on social media, because that's one of the things I struggled with. That's a software you can give. So that's a software you can give away for free. But now they're incorporating the AI. Now there's a couple things. There's this open Chatbot GPT that everyone's talking about that you can go right now for free. You don't need any affiliate links or anything like that to go grab and use that for your AI content generation, whatever. But in my experience, sometimes it's unavailable because the amount of people using that site. Like if everyone's using the free stuff over here, eventually it's like, why do I need to pay for it elsewhere, or why do I even need to go elsewhere? But the problem is, when so many people are using it, it bogs down the site, and sometimes you can't get in. So that's why I'll throw that out there. Yes, you can go access it right now over there for free, or you can get it here for free. I think it's going to be part of the same software you can give away with this My Software Business suite of things. And when you create your free account, you'll be able to use it. It's here in the back office. You simply click on Ava Writes, and right now it's very basic. Basically, as more people use the site and the AI, I don't know if I'm saying this correctly, gets smarter, they're going to build to it. But basically right now it's very simple. All you do is let Ava write anything you can think of. You basically put out what you want Ava to write, and she'll come up with some stuff. So during the course of this video, I'm going to just put email subject line on why you should open this email. I don't know, I'm just thinking of some stuff off the top of my head just so you can see how the thing works. But basically, you type some stuff like that, you click write it, and it'll come up with some content that you can use, you can edit, different things like that. One thing I will say, discover how you can unlock your potential. I know that's a very basic thing, but you get the point. I mean, there's other things you can do. You can come up with social media posts, you can come up with emails, not just email subject lines, you can come up with blogs. Let me just write something else here. Email subject line on learning affiliate marketing. I just click write it just so you can see. I'm just coming up with some stuff off the top of my head, but this is what I do when I come up with YouTube video titles, email subject lines, emails, discover how to start. I mean, it's very basic right now, but you can use this for anything. So I'm just stuck on this one thing during this video. Actually, let me write, let's see, 3 benefits on having your own business. And I'm just going off the top of my head. Didn't really have a plan for this, but I'm just showing you how this software works. And it's very simple, very basic. As time progresses, it's going to get more robust, but It's an alternative, and it's free, and it's something that you can use. So boom, here you go. 3 benefits on having your own business. Number 1, more flexibility and freedom, blah, 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 tax savings, increased job security. I mean, you could just go on for days with this kind of stuff. I blog, but I don't, because there's like a, going off on another tangent here. A lot of people say AI and blogging is not going to mix because Google can, I guess, figure out if you're using artificially generated content for your blog, but it gives you ideas. So for example, me, when I just type this in, 3 benefits on having your own business, and I see everything down here, I would take that and just simply make it sound like me. And that's very easy. And it's hard to type up stuff like this when you're just looking at a blank screen. But when you can come here and type some stuff, boom, I got a whole big paragraph here. This can be a social media post. This can be a TikTok video. This could be an Instagram reel. There's so much to do with it. And it's like, matter of fact, I think I am going to make this an Instagram reel. And again, try not to get off the subject here, but there's like so many, it just makes so much sense to have something like this in your pocket to be using it. Yes, there are other companies that provide the AI stuff, but you get it here for free. And if you're a My Software Business affiliate. Anyways, wrapping this video up, name's Rob Frazier. Link will be below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.